Welcome back to this video. If you use Redmi Android phone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can actually protect your Redmi Android phone. Make sure you stay tuned to this video and see important setting you need to activate right now in order to protect your Redmi Android phone against loss. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. Then have you open up your phone settings, next thing you do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Click on Google. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on all services. Having clicked on all services, is take you right here. Then you can simply scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to theft protection. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. What you need to do to scroll down right here, and make sure you click on remote lock. So here, use remote lock. When remote lock is on, you can lock your devices remotely if it gets lost or stolen. So what you need to do right here is to make sure you turn on this particular button right here. Now, having turned this particular button on, how does it work? Scroll down right here, you have two steps to follow. Step 1, on any devices, go to android.com/lock. Then next thing you need to do is that enter your device's phone number to lock its screen. No signing on Google accounts needed. So here you can also copy this particular URL link right here. So you can take a look at the URL link right here, android.com/lock. So when you visit the site, then you are going to see from the bottom right here, info needed to use remote lock. These are below info you need, your phone number. So dual SIM is going to show you two phone number. If it is a single SIM you are using, it's going to show you your single SIM. What you need to do is to make sure you pay proper attention to this particular URL right here, android.com/lock. Then when you get to the site, enter the phone number. Then the phone will be erased and automatically lock remotely without even accessing your Google account. This is one of the great security you can give your Redmi Android phone to protect your data and protect your privacy and the like. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.